Hi, my name's Jamie Mordaunt and welcome back. What is everyone talking about this week? And I know you've seen it on Twitter and on Facebook and on every other social media place out there. It's Gamestop. What is going on with Gamestop? This is the whole David versus Goliath story. And what do I mean by that? I mean this is the retail versus the institutional hedge fund managers. Now, what do I mean by retail investors? We are retail investors. It's people that go out there and they invest through places like eToro and Robinhood, and they use their hard-earned money, their salaries, to invest into stocks all around the world to try and better their own lives. This is against institutional investors. These are the mega, great big conglomerates that pile everyone's money in together, and they generally come out on top. GameStop has gone up 1,000%. Just think about that for a second, 1,000%. 6 days ago, it was worth $39, and today it's worth $372. That's a ridiculous jump that, it boggles my mind how much money people are making on this. This has totally screwed over the billion-dollar hedge funds like Melvin Capital and Citron Research, who are now wriggling around. Melvin Research has just applied for a $245 billion bailout because of what is going on. It's fantastic, but not for those investors over there. You've got to remember, this affects both sides of the carpet. Now, why are these companies in trouble? Because they're trying to short it. Now, we spoke about shorting in one of my previous videos, but what is shorting? Shorting is when you're betting against the stock. So they're going in and they're selling it at a lower price and they're going to buy it back at an even lower price. But what have these people gone out and done? They've said, do you know what? I've had enough of this. And you guys have been manipulating the markets for the last 20, 30, 40, 50 years. It's our time. It's our time to make some money. And they've risen up like Robin Hood. See what I did there? Like Robin Hood. You can thank a small group of people on Reddit called the wallstreetbets. These people have gone out there and they've said, it's our time and we're going to make all our money back. This group of people have gone out there and they've said, right, we're going to pick this company and we think this company is overvalued. So that's what they've done. They've started to increase the pressure on it, so all these large conglomerates have to pour their money out. It's bloody clever, it's brilliant. And now they've gone after companies like AMC and BlackBerry, and they're doing exactly the same. And all these big boys are suddenly starting to panic. You've got some of them going over and saying, these people should be arrested for manipulating stocks. They're not manipulating stocks, they don't have insider trading, they're just doing what you have done to everyone else, they're now doing back to them. Now, there's no confirmation on how much Melvin have actually lost, but as I said earlier, they've gone for a $2.45 billion bailout. That's a huge amount, and they've lost a lot of money on the back of that. Now, the wallstreetbets were cheered on by the one and only Elon Musk and a former executive at Facebook. That has only propelled the price of the stock even higher. When you've got people like that behind you, everyone wants in. Some small traders have even said they're able to pay off all of their student debts, all of their loans. This is great. It's the small people winning again. It's David versus Goliath, and we all love a David in this scenario. WSB, one of the Reddit guys, has even said he's going to give all of his profits back to charity, to organizations, to make the world a better place. We're loving this. It's the whole Robin Hood scenario again. It's a Robin Hood, David, Goliath, all rolled into one. But is this legal? Under SEC rules, it is. There's no insider trading going on. William Galvin has called for a 30-day stop on trading for this. But what can they do? They're not doing anything wrong. The only people who are being hurt, and it is a lot of people, is these mega institutions. We all know that shorting is a risky business. But how is this going to end? No one really knows. But I think what you're going to see is the larger institutions are going to have a sell-off. They're going to be selling parts of their portfolio to cover these costs. We saw the S&P 500 was down 2.5%. That's not sustainable. What's going to happen? Hey, it's the market. It's like a casino. All we know right now is the smaller people are winning. The billionaires are throwing their toys out their prams and crying like little babies. Watch it and see.
Doing is people are sitting at home getting the checks from the government, okay, and this fair share is a bullshit concept. It's just a way of attacking wealthy people, and I think it's inappropriate. We all got to work together and pull together. The reason the market is doing what it's
now, everybody is keeping an eye on this, even the White House. You saw a press release from them 24 hours ago. Will this happen with BlackBerry and all the other companies we've spoken about? Who knows? It's going to be an interesting time, and I'm looking forward to watching it. Thanks for watching this, and please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll do another video later on. So guys, what are your thoughts? What do you think's going on? Do you think there's insider trading going on? Who are the big winners and who are the big losers? And what are you going to be doing? Let me know your thoughts. Comment down below, and let's get this conversation going.